What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to travel with a clock, watch this. Hey, when you go on business trips and whatnot, you might want to take an alarm clock, and Travelwey makes one little travel clock. It's not that big, obviously, you can see here. Now, I will say, when you go to most hotels or whatnot, there is a clock in there, but for the rest of us, we have our smartphones, we have a lot of technology with us. Telling time is probably not a problem. Ooh, it's a 1-year warranty. But I picked this up for a different reason. This Travelway little tiny clock here is meant to be at my desk at work. So a lot of times when I'm doing presentations, having calls, having a meeting, whatever, I don't have a wall clock that's really visible, and so I want to be able to see what time it is, take it with me into a conference room, whatever. Like I said, even for speaking or presenting, it can be really, really helpful. Now, it's all a little plastic construction. We have a little slightly tapered bottom here. You can see that it's hinged on the back. We also have a little battery compartment there. We're going to need 2 AAA batteries to power this little bad boy up. So I will find those here pretty soon. We have an on and off button, little slider there. And then we have a light button for lighting it up. And I think maybe we could just, how do we open this sucker up? Oh, just prise away. And then we have screen protector, please remove. And then on LCD liquid crystal display up here. It's pretty large. I call it like about 1.5 inches square almost. Clock, alarm, set the hour, minutes, alarm on and off right there. And like I said, a little backlight, presumably right there. Looks like there's a little alarm speaker. But when you are using it, you can just set it up like this and close it up. And like I said, for me, if I'm doing a presentation, doing a speaking gig, I'd love to have this on the table. Low power, always stays on. Unlike a smartphone or, tablet, the screen to maximize battery will often shut off, which is not good if you're in a presentation. So here's what it looks like. Obviously, when it's running, pretty cool. I will put a link to this if you want to pick it up in the description below. It's under $10, pretty cheap. Peter Von Panda, out.